Hello, today we will guide you through how to choose which monitor shows presenter view in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're presenting with two screens, it's important to make sure presenter view appears on the correct monitor. Presenter view is the screen that shows helpful tools like your notes, the current slide, and presentation controls, while your audience sees only the slideshow. In this walkthrough, we'll quickly go through how to choose which monitor PowerPoint uses for that view. Begin by opening PowerPoint. Make sure your presentation is already available if you plan to test the setting right away. If you're connected to more than one display, PowerPoint can detect those monitors and give you options for where your presentation tools should appear. It helps to have both screens connected before making any changes so the monitor choices show up correctly. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the Slideshow tab at the top of the window. This tab contains the presentation display settings, including the options used when working with multiple monitors. If you've never adjusted these settings before, this is the area where PowerPoint lets you control how the slideshow behaves during a presentation. Next, look for the Monitor drop-down menu. This menu allows you to choose which connected display PowerPoint should use. Click the drop-down to view the available monitor options. Depending on your setup, you may see the screens listed by number or by a label that matches your display configuration. If you're unsure which screen is which, it can be helpful to check your computer's display settings separately so you know which monitor number corresponds to the screen in front of you or your audience. From that drop-down list, select the monitor you want to use. In this example, choose the sample monitor shown in the list. This tells PowerPoint where to place presenter view when you start the slideshow. After selecting the monitor, you can begin your presentation and confirm that everything appears where you expect. If the screens seem reversed, simply return to the same monitor setting and choose the other display. That's all it takes to choose which monitor shows presenter view in Microsoft PowerPoint. Once this is set correctly, presenting becomes much smoother, especially when you need quick access to notes and controls without showing them to your audience.